Ashlock out of Enid, Oklahoma, sponsored by Matty Joe Photography, Rolling Thunder, and Morris Motorsports. On Terran's outside, the 167 Dustin Schoonover out of Enid, Oklahoma, sponsored by C2 Race Cars, Elite Collision, Grilling Mud Supply, Dyer Tweed Plumbing, Brady Drive, 7 Compression, UFO Motorsports. Road 2 inside the 47 car, Lana Maddox out of Fairview, Oklahoma, sponsored by Martin Machine Shop, Hobbs Piping and Fabrication, Remax Premier Realtors, KC Electric, McCartney Welding and Roustabout, G&W Machine, Glass Clack Global Glass Repair, Triple C Welding, H&H Construction, Casing Crews Incorporated, and Kiki's Boutique. The 42 car is Dakotah Stewart out of Kingfisher, Oklahoma. Bonnie's Boutique and Son, Twisted Coatings, and Odell Automotive. The 76S is Stephen Smith out of Yukon. And the 4L, looks like we're missing the 4L of Ronnie Kitterman out of Liberty, Kansas. Kitterman usually in the 9K. And always that familiar station wagon.
Why did you pull in already?
Looks like we'll go without Kittering.
Kittering. Kittering.
Hey, don't make fun. Tequila now. Do you have another big bowl?
I'm no, it's a fishbowl in and a vodka water in, yeah.
So a change in the lineup, Terran Ashlock going to the back. That's going to move Landon Maddox up alongside Dustin Schoonover. Smith beside Stewart.
So you can't watch it. You could have paid the $2.99 to get the initial subscription, or paid $59.99 per night for our picture. So I said, look.
Don't forget to get yourself some of those 50-50 tickets. They're only $1 and they could pick 3 off of it to you and intermission. Approximately going over 5. Stewart right on the back bumper of Schoonover. Maddox out front, Schoonover, Stewart. Landon Maddox, the ball. Schoonover. Everybody continues. Landon Maddox out front. Schoonover running second. Stewart now looking around the outside of Schoonover. Again, Stewart to the inside of Schoonover. This time on the long slide. Schoonover powers back. Dakotah Stewart It's